Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 27th April 2021. And the topic is Harbor. May I now welcome Mrs. Vijay Ramesh to recite today's poems. Please, ma'am, welcome.
Harbour by Mrs. Lakshmi. Thrill of adventurous voyage. We started our trip from snow-capped Shimla at the dawn and reached the mesmerizing Kulu before the dusk. Our desire is to ride the breathtaking river rafting. So we went to the mighty Bias River that embarked our thrilling. We took a rafting package with a life jacket. With full excitement and pounding heartbeat, we rafted in the rag of flowing water. With adrenaline rush, we explored the white water. We spread our arms and shouted amazing Himalayas. Our laughter and songs echoes in our ears. Though we sailed on the untamed water, our raftsman was an excellent rower. Our rover sprayed that cold water by his roaring oar. The chill water made us to tremor, and so we roared louder. With our soggy clothes in that freezy temperature, really, that's an exciting adventure. Everything is still alive in our memories. That amazing journey made us to forget all worries. So, always spread your wings like a bird and flutter in blue sky to admire the world. Harbor by Mrs. P. Caroline Santa. When I perceive the picture of a grey, silent harbor, I believe I visualize in clear all my beloved ones dear, who went to meet the Maker, as if waving hither, thither, few are near the horizon, moving on a pile of water frozen. They seem to swirl away from me. They seem to glide away from me. My eyes are filmed with tears. My legs are trembling with fears. Harbor by Mrs. Deepa. Harbor sweet memories in your mind. Eject and intrusive thoughts which often queries by your might. To extent, accept with humor, but never harbor the rumor. As ships are anchored in the harbor, tie up yourself with armor. As you store your vital energy in soul, only harbor the good sands fall. Harbor by Mrs. J. Saranya. Away from seashore, not a single ship you ignore, providing shelter to all the ships. People can't make you skip. Ship squints her love from far away. Shore never do anything than sightseeing. Knowing both can't meet each other, turned yourself as a messenger. Ship delivers all her love to you, delivering all the love to her shore. Comforting ship if she cries, sending soothing words to shore. Both alive because of you, dear. Harbor by Mr. Lokesh. Born voyage, dear son. Let go your comfort zone. You are born here, but not to stay here. Word of caution: she is enigmatic, powerful, calm, beautiful, aggressive. Most of all, you can't guess her. Yes, she's like a girl. Voyage will season you. You will have to endure scornful storm, loathsome lightning, rough rain, wrathful waves, wicked whirlpool. If you survive them, remember, I am waiting to hear your heroics. Thus concluded the harbor in the ceremonial ship launch. Harbor by Mrs. Hemasuda. I wish I could quit before laid into the pit. Weak bones and muscles cry for rest without any hassle. Swam with the sharks for years, competed without any fear, took active part in all rides, now exhausted against rough tides. Left as an abandoned sinking ship, in the midst of ocean, awaiting for a skip. Continual search for the guiding light that would lead to the divine harbor is light. Would I reach the harbor unscathed or would I sink unstuck? Harbor by Mrs. Alice. Harbor ships in social distance, crew of sailors in vigilance, exports in progress, import business proceeds. Sea filled with joy at harbor, sailors cheer up reaching border. Sea voyage initiative at harbor, safely reaching shores honor. We rush to see our harbor at an export import life challenges. Waves pulls us to corners, successfully swims to amusements. Harbor by Mrs. T. Thamarichelvi. The terrific alert of weather forecast, the relentless winds of monsoon climate. My horrified mind went into an awakened state. I just whimpered in a defenseless stage of desolate. The world kept a deep silence, a sign of danger. I just walked towards the harbor. The mournful cry of a dog petrified me in finding of my life partner. The tides raced so furious to compete my emotions. The tides aren't not only in the sea. I felt those also inside me. My mind dragged my memories like a bee the day I deserted my spouse without leave. The life of creatures depends upon nature. Fishermen led a life of adventure. Their uncertain way of lives associated with weather. If they fail to perceive the meteorological results, their lives are wasted ones, like the damaged boats of harbor. Harbor by Mrs. Princeland Joan. Waves chant melodious melodies on the shore. Whistling wind plays a harmonious low. Romantic tides gracefully dance with the massy rock. With enduring hope, I blow my harp. Can you hear my meek voice, my sweetheart? Behind the lonely rocks, I am deserted and desolate. Sunrise to sunset, wandering like a bird, slowly drowning in the sand miry of solitude. Fragile I am to hold your love and misery. Gloomy nights are dull and so dreary. Honeyless life makes my days feeble and weary. Wet pillows lament the mystery of my history. Will I hug you with delight even on tomorrow? With sighs and tears, submerging into the pool of
Hearty thanks to Vijayalakshmi ma'am. You have recited all the poems in a wonderful manner. And I extend hearty thanks to all the creative writers for their awesome penning.